So this video is for those that want to open a cheaper cash account. If you are watching my video for the first time, my name is Olale, a follower. I make videos on how to make money and how to launch your businesses online. So if you are finding my video for the first time, I would like you to subscribe and also turn on the notification bell, then follow me as well. Alright, so I made a video on how to order from AliExpress, but this video currently is how to order from how to open a cheaper cash account. You can see this is how you can place your order. But this video, I would go and watch this video on how I order from AliExpress. But this video currently is on how you can open a cheaper cash account. This is just the video you are seeing is just how to order on AliExpress. I'll also make it if you can see that payment successful. So how do you do this? Because if you use your Naira card, it's going to decline it totally. You can try it, it's going to decline it. So this is basically video on how to open a cheaper cash account. Then if you want to open a cheaper cash account, I drop the link on the description section. Just go to the comment section or the description section. You are going to find the video on the link to register. So they are going to give you a discount, 1000 naira discount if you use the link in the description section or in the comment section. So make sure you subscribe and also like the video, then also follow this page. You can see these are the item I have placed order on, then I payment verified. So but the only thing is just that it might take longer days, but they are very cheap. So after you sign up, though me I've logged in, I've already made a sign up and all that. So if you want to log in for the first time, let me show you how it looks like the interface. So this is the interface for those that want to register for the first time. We can see what we have here. We have open an account, already have an account. So if you click on, you are going to click on open an account because you don't have an account. So you put your phone number. Okay, let me put my other number here. If you don't want to use your phone number for now, or you don't remember your phone number, you use your email address. You can see use email address below. So I'll put my email address over here. Let me put my email address quick. So you click on next after you put your phone number, your email address rather. Still haven't received the code, so they are going to send a code to you or your email address. So you wait for the code, then you put the code over here. So let's wait for that. So they already sent the code to my email address. So this is the code that I'm going to click on. Don't worry, nobody can use the code once that's been used once. It's not like OTP that somebody can use. So I'll just put the code here. Just copy and paste the code. So you can't copy and paste the code. You have to write it yourself. So you can see you put um your details, your name, your first name, given name, your last name, surname. Then you put the rest of it. So I don't want to have two accounts on this. I'll be sticking with that first account. So let me go and open the. So I already have an account. So that's how you are going to. It's not hard actually. So let me just put my number here. So here in cheaper cash now. So this is my dashboard. You are going to verify your account though. Once you open the account, you are going to verify the account. So you can see your, like I said cheaper cash is affiliating with is associated with UBA bank. So you have to know that. So and the name of cheaper cash is a nine service payment. You can see. So you are going to verify using your NIN, then I think some other stuff like that as well. So that's how the verification works. So then if you want to buy, the next thing is to buy virtual card. That's the next thing you're looking at. You are going to buy virtual card. So you go to card below, downward below, the last one the below. Then you go to your Naira. You know, we have two cards. We have Naira card and dollar card. So I'm using the dollar card. The dollar card is just 2000 naira, one time payment 2000 naira. While the Naira card is just 1000 naira. In case you don't know about that, so you click on top up. So you click on top up so I can top up my account. So I'm going to meet up. So let me top up 1000 naira. So if I top up 1000 naira, that will add the money to it. So let's see how much I'm having currently. Let's see how much. So I'm having $24.96. So now I can now check out. Let's go to AliExpress to check out. All right, so don't be afraid. It's going to work. So this is live. I'm not hiding anything. I'm doing it live. So you click on checkout. After you pick the three items that you want to pick. Me, I pick six. I pick six rather. So this is the amount I'm paying. You can see. Then you click on pay now. So once you click on pay now, you just wait for it to load. So you can see immediately my card has been charged immediately. Immediately is that it has been charged. The reason being that I've already had my card before. So I don't need to enter any OTP. Though for the first time you are going to enter an OTP. Oh. UBA will send you an OTP where you put the OTP. But because I've used this card before, that is why I'm not charged anything. So let's see how many days. Check my order. Go to check my order. It will take longer period, like 30 days, before your order gets to this place. So these are the order I've placed. So you can still track your order. So, but this function is not available on this site. So I have to download the app. So you can track your order where your item is. So when it gets here, I'll make a video on how you can sell your product, how to sell, where to sell your product, and how understand, because that's the most important thing. You can't just start ordering and you don't know how to sell it. You must have ready customer that wants to buy your product. All right. So when the order comes, I also make the video on when how it arrived, where I got to, where I went to get it. Just make sure you subscribe to the channel. Also like my video. Then see you on the next one, guys.